Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Bybit account. So if you also want to delete Bybit account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon your Bybit application. You can see over here Bybit is opened. So if you want to delete your Bybit account, unfortunately you'll not be able to delete it, but you can definitely deactivate it. In order to deactivate your account, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At the top right corner you'll be able to see a gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now settings will be opened. You can see several settings options over here. Find the option for security. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the security center. You can see several options over here. Scroll down. At last, you'll be able to find the option for account settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find the option for deactivate an account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of page. There are several consequences of deactivating an account. You can read the consequences right over here. You won't be able to log into your account again. You will not be able to initiate any kind of trades. You'll also not be able to make any kind of withdrawals. All the existing orders will be cancelled. After disabling your account, you will not be allowed to re-register with the same email address, phone number or identification details. Read these informations very carefully. Scroll down. Now select the reason for the deactivation. You can see three options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now check on the box I have understood and agreed to the above action. Now you can see over here deactivate this account button will be activated. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see two options over here, confirm and cancel. If you change your mind, simply tap on the cancel option. But if you still want to deactivate your account, simply tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. A verification code will be sent to your email. Tap on the option send verification code. Now open your Gmail application. You can see over here Bybit has sent me an email. Tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Now enter that code over here. Now also enter the code of Google Authenticator. Simply open the Authenticator app and enter the code over here. Now after you've entered all the code, all you have to do is tap on the option next step. Now your account deactivation was successful. So that is how you deactivate or delete your Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.